Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your Wyze Cam that is not recording your SD card in 2026. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to open your Wyze application on your phone. Now when you open the Wyze application, you just have to first of all go to the settings. Then you need to go to the advanced settings. Now inside the advanced settings, you are going to see the option of manage micro SD card. So this is the section that is available. So when you tap on it, you need to make sure that the app detects your SD card, and if the card shows as unavailable or not installed, you need to simply remove it, then reinsert it securely while the camera is powered off. Afterwards, you need to also verify the continuous recording and the event recording, whether these are enabled or not. So if the recording is turned off, the camera won't save the footages even if the SD card is installed correctly. Now, another common issue is an incompatible or corrupted SD cards. So Wyze recommends you using the class 10 or sometimes UHS 1 or better micro SD cards. So if the card has been used for a long time, it may need to be reformatted. So you can try these method and see if your Wyze camera is now recording recording into an SD card. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.